Well, hello all you YouTubers out there. How you doing today? Hey, I got a letter in the mail today with a sticker that I was happy to get, and it's from Wee Val over in Scotland. He has a website by the name of Tickle, and you need to go check him out. I'm going to put his sticker right there on the board right now. Alrighty. Had a real nice personal note thanking me for the swap, and I sure thank you too, Tickle. And I sent him one of mine here a couple weeks ago, so he should be getting that any day. Appreciate all the sticker swaps I can get. Now today's project is about this. Look at that. It's a Christmas ornament. It's Christmas time. And put that in the lathe, and I'm going to show you what I did to it and how I got this out of it. Don't care how rough it is, I just hogged it off of there. Same way up here. Well, that's a wrap for this project. I want to share with you the finished Santa Gnome. First, I did the outline in the lathe, as you can see here. And then, with just a little carving, kind of carved in here and here for the brim, just a little bit of carving down for the beard. And that was about it. Then you paint the red and white, two colors, and put you a little round wooden ball. That, by the way, I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I didn't make the ball. Now, with that, I'd like to say one more thing. How about telling them now, right? Okay. We'll see you in the next video and wish you a Merry Christmas.